Hi children, today let us match the nouns with correct verbs. You know what's noun? You know what are verb? Verbs are action words. So we're going to match the noun with some verbs. Yes, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this exercise. Let us look at the picture, read the words that come up. All right? So we are not only doing looking at the words, but we are also reading the word, looking at the picture. Third, let's enjoy today's exercise of matching nouns with correct verbs. Third, let's look at our first picture. What is it? Look carefully. A baby. Look at this baby. We all make some noise, whether the animals, birds, or human. What is the baby doing? What is the kind of noise it makes? What do we call a babies when they make noise? When they cry? Cries. Very good. Babies cry. And then what does mama do? Run and check. The baby is hungry or baby need any change. Keep baby comfortable. So babies cry. Good. We are matching the noun baby with the verb cry. Babies cry. So you are learning to read also. Look at the word babies cry. C-R-Y, cry. Good. Correctly, you did the matching. Good. Let's look at our next picture. Look. What animal is this? Lion. Read. L-I-O-N. Lion. What's the sound the lion makes? It makes noise, isn't it? And the other animals get scared. How does he make the noise? What is the noise called? Yes. Lion is noun. We are going to match the noun with the verb. The sound made by the lion. Lions roar. Very good. They make such a loud noise. And you call that roar. The roar of the lion terrifies, frightens all the small animals in the jungle. Lions roar. Can you roar like a lion? Good. Noun matching the verb. Lions roar. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Now look, what picture is this? You find this in your garden, in mommy's kitchen. They come and trouble mama. What is this word? Mice. M-I-C, mice. What this sound this little animal makes in the garden, in the attic, in the kitchen? Noun, mice. Mice, they do make a noise. And you know what animal that is with the sound. Mice. What do? In the kitchen, wherever there is a tiny hole, they squeak. Mice squeak. When you hear the squeaky noise, immediately mama will say, there is a mice, there is a tiny mouse somewhere. Find them out. Mice squeak. Noun matching the verb. Mice squeak. Good. Shall we look at another animal? Good. Here we are. What animal is this? Horse. You like to take a ride on a horse? What's the sound made by the horse? What do the horses, what sound it makes? Horses? Good. Neighs. Horses neigh. Noun horse. Verb, neigh. Horses, neigh. You like to take a ride on a horse? And how does the horse go? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Good. Beautiful horse. Brown horse. They neigh. Let's look at a new animal and let's find out the sound it makes. Look. You have this animal in your house. What does he do? He guards your home. What's his name? Dog. When the dogs look at strangers, meet strangers at the gate, what does the dog do? What is the sound he makes? Good. Dogs bark. Noun dog. What is the sound they make? What is the verb? Bark. Dogs bark. When the dogs bark differently, the master knows there is someone at the gate. Stranger at the gate. Dogs bark. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look at this animal. Where do you find this animal? In the jungle? Sometimes in a temple? Yes. Read. Elephants. Elephants will lift its trunk and make a big noise. What is that? What is the sound made by the elephant? Elephants trumpet. Good. Elephants trumpet. He will lift his trunk up and make a big sound. And we call that trumpet. Elephants trumpet. Noun matching the verb. Elephants trumpet verb. Very good. Are you enjoying this exercise? Shall we take another picture of another animal? Good. Look what you have here. Look at this. Name goats. Read goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. What is the sound the goat makes? When the goats are passing by in front of your gate or side of your house, they make a sound. What is that? Then you know, oh, which animal is passing by. Goats bleat. Goats bleat. Even without looking at the animal, when you hear the bleat, then you know, oh, that's a goat passing by. Noun, verb. Goats bleat. Sound made by the goat, we say goat bleats. Good. Let's go on to another animal. See what you have here. You love this little pet in your house. What is this? Cat. And if you have cat and tiny kittens, oh, it's lovely the way they play, isn't it? Cat. What noise does it make? Cats mew. Yes, very good. Cat mew. The baby say meow, meow, and the mama comes running. Or the mama says meow, and the kittens come running up to the mother. Cats mew. If you have a cat in the house, you lovely sound you hear made by the cat. Cats mew, and they're so cute. Good. Did you enjoy so far? Shall we go on to another animal? Good. Here we are. What animal is this that goes slithering on the between the grass? Snake. What is the sound the snake makes? With the sound you know there is a snake somewhere in the bushes, in the grass. Hisses. The snake hisses and you know somewhere in the garden there is a snake. Snakes hiss. Snakes hiss. Noun, snake, verb. Hiss. Snakes hiss. Good. So you learned a lot today. Shall we go on to another new picture? Another animal? Good. Look what you have here. Where do you find this? In the pond, between the rock, in the garden. They are brown sometimes, green color also there is. Reddish green also there is. Frog. What animal is this? Frog. What's the sound frogs make during the rainy season? Or if you have a pond nearby, or if there's a well, if there are frogs inside, in the night they go on making a big noise. What's that? Frogs croak. Croak, croak. Yes, frogs croak. And then you know, oh, There's a frog somewhere in the garden or in the well or in the pond. What is the sound made by the frogs? Croak. Croak, croak. They go on. Yes? And oh, there's a frog in the pond. Frogs croak. There's a frog. They croak. The sound made by the frog, croak. Good. Let's take another animal. Look what we have here. What does she give you? Milk. You like to have nice hot milk? Yes. Name, read the animal. Cows. Cows give us milk. What is the sound the cow makes? Cows moo. Very good. Cows moo. When you hear the sound O, there are some cows nearby in the meadow. They're eating some grass about. Cows moo. Noun, we are matching with the verb moo. Cows moo. Beautiful cow, isn't it? Did you enjoy? Good. Let's go on to another new picture, new animal, and find the sound they make. Early morning, you will hear this little animal waking you up from your bed. Read this word, cock. Cocks. When the sun comes up, what sound does it make? Telling you it's morning, now wake up. Cocks crow in the morning so that you wake up. Cocks crow. They go up onto the top of the penthouse and make a big loud noise. Cocks crow. Then it's time up. Wake up. Very early in the morning, cocks crow. Lovely. Look at his tail. Beautiful feathers. Look at his comb. The cock, does he look beautiful? Yes. Cocks crow. Noun matching with the verb crow. Cocks crow. Good. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another picture. Let's look at this, what we have. Who gives you honey? Who collects honey for you? Bees. Read. Bees. From where? From the flowers. Bees collect honey from the flowers for you and me. What sound? How do you know there are bees in the garden or top of your house? What is the sound they make? Bees buzz. Bees buzz. They go buzzing about collecting honey from every single flower. Then oh, there are some bees around. Noun, bee, buzz, verb, matching the noun with the verb. Bees buzz. Look how lovely he looks. Bees buzz. Good. Shall we take another look at another beautiful picture? Look what you have here. Who is this? Who gives you eggs? Hen. What is the sound the hen makes? Hens cluck. They go about in the hen house or in your garden in the yard making this noise. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Hens cluck. When they say cluck, 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 the little chicks come running to eat the grains that mother has for them, eat the worm that mother has found for them. Hens cluck. Hens, what is the sound they make? Hens cluck, 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 they go on. Good. Let's look at a new animal. Look. Who gives you nice wool to make a nice coat for yourself when you feel cold? Sheep. Read sheep. Look at the beautiful picture you have. What is the sound the sheep makes? Sheep, what do? What is the sound they make? Sheep bleats. Then oh, There are some sheep eating some grass somewhere down the hill. Sheep bleat. Okay? Sheep bleats. Noun, sheep bleats, verb, matching noun with the verb. Look at the beautiful picture of sheep and they make a noise. That's called bleat. Sheep bleat. Did you enjoy, children? Let's go on to another new picture. Look what you have here. Look at the ear. Then you know what animal. Donkey. Very good. Look at the beautiful pictures of donkeys. Now the donkeys are very helpful animal. They help us to carry load, especially the dobies. Make use of them. What is the sound the donkey make? Donkeys bray. What is the sound they make? Donkeys bray. When you hear the donkeys bray, you know, oh, there's a donkey going down the road or down the street. Donkeys bray. Good. Shall we look at another animal, children? Look what you have. What animal is this? Look at the big face, big horns. This is a buffalo. They make a big sound. What is the sound they make? What do you call that? Buffaloes bellow. They have a very deep voice, big mouth. So we say the buffaloes bellow. Big noise they make. So you know, in the pond, look, there are some buffaloes. You can hear the bellow of the buffaloes. Buffaloes bellow. Good. Let's go on, children, to a new picture. Look what you have here. Your friend. You love to see monkeys jumping from one tree to another. Monkeys. And if there are lots of monkeys on a tree, what do you hear? Oh, there's a big noise. What is the noise made by the monkey? Monkeys chatter. Monkeys chatter. Chatter, chatter all the time. So when you hear the chatter on a tree, you know, oh, some monkeys have come to the tree. Monkeys chatter. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. See what you have here. This is a night bird. Look at the big eyes. Read the name of the animal, name of the bird, owl. It's a night bird. Owls are night birds. They live in the dead tree holes. They come out at night. They can only see during the night. Now, you can hear the night some noise made by this animal. Then with the noise, you know, oh, that's an owl. Owls, what's the sound they make? Hoot. When you hear the hoot at night, you know, somewhere there's an owl. Owls hoot. What's the sound made by the owl, the night bird? Owls hoot. I hope you enjoyed this lovely exercise of matching noun with the verb correctly. Owls hoot.